Hi there. So just another quick tutorial about using the group functionality on the Net Positive Life dashboard. So in here, you have, I've logged in now and I am part of a group. And in here, you can click through and see more details about your group. I can click on my group and in here, you'll see that I have a group and it has 5 seats remaining. You can scroll through this group and see the users, and you can see the number of actions taken as your users group. When your users came to use the Net Positive Life app most recently, the user average, and you can see the number of actions that people have taken. I've taken the most number of actions and I've saved a lot of carbon. My wife has taken 5 actions and has saved some carbon, and Nicholas has added no actions. And then you can see the average user environmental footprint at the bottom here. And what that does is it allows for you to see how your group is getting along. The useful thing is the average here. But what you can do, if you like, is also, I've got 5 more seats remaining. So I should go about sending an email to people, and I can add members to my group. I can add a member manually by putting an email address and make them a member or a manager. I can send them a link and share that with them via email. And it's quite straightforward. That's the way in which it works. And when you go about adding a member email address and you add a member, then it will send them an invitation via email, which is very helpful. So that's mostly what you need to understand about the group functionality. The other things which you can do within the group functionality is see a little bit more about what people are doing, and if they've shared their Net Positive Life plan, you can click on their link and see a little bit more details about that. So that's most I can share about the group functionality. It's a great way of being able to understand people. I've got this group for my family. It's a great way to be able to share the Net Positive Life app with your family and your friends so that they can use the Net Positive Life app and you can see and work collectively in terms of reducing your impact on nature and climate.